Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. The festive season is upon us, and with that comes loads and loads of celebration. In this video, I want to share how to set a table from a basic table setting to an informal table setting for a simple casual dinner party. I know many of you would be wondering why even bother learning the correct way to position plates and all the tablewares. Food will taste same either ways, isn't it? Number one thing that I feel that it is important because your guests start feeling important, that you have taken care, a little extra care for them. And I feel that a properly set table can make the food itself look so better. And if there is somebody who is like me who appreciates a proper set table, then that's a delight to enjoy the food. For these special occasions, I like to start with a tablecloth, specifically an ironed tablecloth, a table runner, and then to add some character, I will definitely add a table runner with a flowy base. The more layer you add, the better it looks. I'll be using this Ikea plate, and links of all these will be in the description box. This has been a recent purchase and I am absolutely in love with it. The quality is impeccable and the details on the plate is really beautiful. If you're using a tablecloth, you can skip using the placemats. On top of that, I will layer this beautiful plate from Ikea. In this table setting, I'm assuming that I'll be serving a snack platter and then goes a proper dinner. So the trick here that I'll be following is repeating a color thrice, repeating a pattern 3 to 4 times, and in the end I will add a pop of color. So here I have repeated blue color 3 times, if you have noticed, which is a cohesive color from my adjacent living room. My second color is this yellow or the golden yellow color. Since it's a more casual setup, I will take the napkin, fold it in quarter, and then I'll lay it down on the dinner plate. I'll make sure that the edges are falling and the side plate is right on top of it, so that we are not seeing the napkin's top part, like so. In the same color scheme of mustard yellow golden color, I'm using this Ikea's amber glass tea light holders. Once all my plates have been arranged, I will start arranging all my centerpiece decor. I will keep it simple and easy using these Ikea vases. And this is the third time I'm using the same mustard amber color in the color scheme. And then final fourth round of using the same yellow or the mustard color is through these 4 florals. I'll add all the candles. This candle, I'll add it on top of these small little brass plates. The candles are from Ikea and they are very good quality. Now I will repeat the pattern using this ribbed or the fluted detail. The similar detail is used on the plates and then the glasses that I'll be using. I'll repeat this fluted design minimum 3 times. The fluted design is also on my table runner. This champagne coupe or glass has this beautiful cut design which is absolutely similar to the plate that I have used. Let's set the tableware. First we'll go the dinner knife. The sharp edge goes towards the plate. Right adjacent to that will go our dinner spoon. We will make sure that the bottom of both knife and the spoon and all the other tableware are matched. It doesn't matter if they are matching from the top or not. On the opposite side, we will lay our dinner fork, salad fork, and on top of the plate will go the dessert spoon. Dessert spoon should be facing towards left to right. Once all the table setting is done, I'll just add the last bit of pop of color, which is our peachy pink color. I'm using 4 florals. Feel free to use fresh flowers. And like this, our first tablescape is ready. Now let's do a second tablescape. Now this I'll do it in a way that in case we are having a brunch or an outdoor dining, what sort of tablescape should be done. Keeping the blue theme going on, I have chosen this beautiful printed single bedsheet as my tablecloth. I'll use these cane woven placemats to ground the surface. This also works if an outdoor table setting is done. These are pretty heavy and it holds the table mat or table mat in place. I'm using white dinner plates. Now the rule to keep the dinner plates on a placemat is a thumb rule. So just keep the plate an inch or a thumb distance away from the placemat or the table edge. I'm using these blue plates with the brown banding on top on the rim. They look really pretty. And I'm going to repurpose this Lazy Susan which came with 3 jars. On top of that, I'll layer this pizza plate which absolutely looks like a wooden turntable. This pizza plate or this turntable can be used to serve the snacks. Now you can keep the floral decor as simple as it can be or go as elaborate as you want to. For the demonstration purposes, I am using only the 4 florals that I had in my stash. I'm using some hydrangeas and some filler flowers, and the base I have used as eucalyptus from Ikea. I have twisted and turned the floral wires in these 4 flowers to give a look that everything is popping out of the table. I kind of avoided using floral foam, but I think from next time it will be much more easier using that. For this place setting, I am using this dusty pink color napkin. Again, the seam side will be facing downwards, and this time we will layer it with a katori or a bowl. This is a perfect way to do it for an outdoor table setting or if you have the fans on. The cutleries or the tableware goes in this similar fashion. Here my secondary color becomes the wood color or the amber color. If you want to make this as a nighttime tablescape, I'm just adding some brass candlestick holders and some tea light candle in the same amber glass tea light holders. And this finishes our second tablescape. If you have enjoyed this content, please subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, bye-bye.